Imagine checking your phone and seeing this. Your house is currently powered by sunlight. No giant solar company, no expensive installer, and definitely no monthly bill surprises. Today, I'm showing you how DIY smart solar setups are exploding online and how regular people, just like you and me, are building them on a budget. And no, you do not need to be a rich electrician to do this. With electric bills going up and up, people want to take back control. And smart tech is finally making solar easy to understand. See, DIYers aren't just slapping panels on a roof anymore. They're monitoring, tracking, and optimizing their power like it's a video game. It's all about real-time data instead of just guessing. So, what does smart solar actually mean? Let's clear this up right now. It doesn't mean complicated. It simply means solar panels make power, a controller manages that power, and a smart monitor shows you everything on your phone. That's it. The real magic is seeing exactly where your energy is going, so you can stop the waste. Now, let's talk about the biggest mistake I see DIYers make, and it's the number one reason people fail. They go too big, too fast. They try to build a huge system, sink a ton of money into it, and get completely overwhelmed. The smartest setups, the ones that actually work and save you money, start small and are modular. Think one panel, one battery, and one smart plug. You build from there. A beginner DIY smart solar setup usually has just 4 parts. First, you have the solar panels that capture the sunlight. Second, a charge controller, which is the brain that protects your system. Third, a battery or some kind of storage to save that power for later. And fourth, the smart monitoring, which shows you all the data in real time. That last part, the smart monitoring, is what makes this whole thing go viral. Once people see their power usage on graphs and charts with live updates, they get hooked. It's a total game changer. This is where things get really fun. We're talking about smart plugs, energy monitoring apps, and custom alerts and notifications right on your phone. My phone tells me when my solar panels are producing the most power. It warns me when I'm using too much electricity, and it even points out when I'm wasting power. It's just like fitness tracking, but for your electricity. So where do you start? Most DIYers begin with things that are important to them. Think about powering your home office, your lights, your Wi-Fi router, or even just a few small appliances. You don't have to power your entire house on day one. You start by powering the stuff you care about most, the things you use every day. There's a simple psychology behind why this trend just keeps growing. First, you see instant results. The moment you plug something in and it's running on sun power, it's an amazing feeling. Second, you learn as you go, building confidence with each small step. Third, you genuinely save money over time. And finally, you feel in control of your energy, not the other way around. And honestly, it's just so satisfying watching the sun do all the work for you. People always ask me a few common questions. Is this expensive? Can renters do this? And what if I mess it all up? That's exactly why modular setups win every time. They are low risk, they're upgradable, and they're easy to learn. You don't need perfection to get started, you just need to make progress. In my next video, I'm going to break down how to choose your very first panel, how these monitoring apps actually work, and show you exactly how people scale their systems over time from a single plug to a whole house setup. If you're budget conscious, curious, and tired of guessing your energy use, you'll want to see this. Follow along, because the sun doesn't send bills. Thanks for watching.